Good morning, dear students. How are you today? I hope you're fine. Today we're going to have a lesson about converting customary units of capacity. As you know, we have covered converting customary units of length and weight. Today we're going to have a lesson about capacity. Okay, let's start. Capacity is the measurement of how much a container can hold. The common customary units of capacity in the United States are fluid ounces, okay, and donated by FLOZ, cup C, pint PT, quart QT, and gallon for GAL. One cup equals what? I have to study this table very much because it's very important, okay, to know how to convert the units of capacity. So 1 cup equals 8 fluid ounces, and 1 pint equal 2 cups of this equals 16 fluid ounces, and 1 quart 2 pints, 1 quart 2 pints equal 4 cups, and 1 gallon gives me 4 quarts equals 8 pints equals 16 cups. So if I have this example to show me what I'm talking about, which is cheaper, juice that costs 5.50 a pint, it means that if my dad goes and buys us a pint for $5.50 is better or is cheaper, or to buy a gallon of this the same juice for $39.20. What do you think? Yeah, I have to calculate the cost per pint. Okay, so I will convert from gallon to pint. What should I do when I convert from gallon to pint? Yeah, I do what from gallon to pint? I multiply from greater unit to smaller unit. I multiply. So 1 gallon, I know that it's equal to 4 quarts. 1 gallon equal 4 quarts. So equals what? 8 pints. 8 pints. Okay, because 1 quart equal 2 pints. So 4 quarts equal 8 pints. So the cost per pint for the gallon of juice will be, I will take the cost of the whole gallon, $39.20 divided by the 8 pints here, which equals to the 1 gallon, and gives me $4.90 per pint inside the same gallon. So here, if you calculate here and compare the prices, juice that costs $39.20 a gallon is cheaper than the juice that costs $5.50 just for 1 pint. So here I calculated that it will be $4.90 per pint in the same gallon, and here when it comes alone in pint like this, separate pints, so it will cost $5.50. and when we do here a difference between the subtraction between the difference between $5.50 minus $4.90, it will give you $0.60. This means 60 cents. So my daddy will save 60 cents per pint here. So it's better to buy a gallon, not to buy pints. Do you know that the capacity of a full tank of some commercial airplanes is between 50,000 and 65,000 gallons to fly a distance between 2,000 and 15,000 miles? That's a fact. Okay, moving to this example, Adam went to the gas station to fill his car with fuel. After filling up, the pump showed that the car took 5 gallons of fuel. The car's tank capacity is 14 gallons. How many gallons were already in the tank? Calculate the amount of fuel that was in the tank in fluid ounces. So 1 gallon here equals how many cups? 16 cups. And 1 cup equals how many ounces? Yeah, equals 8 fluid ounces. So I now know how to do it. 14 gallons minus 5 here that it took equals 9, and here the 9 gallons equal how many cups? Yeah, big. So the greater unit here, it's a greater unit than here. I want to change from greater to smaller. Just multiply by, yeah, by 16, then it will give you in cups. And okay, this is done very clearly. Complete each of the following: 1.5 gallons and 3 cups. How can I convert it into cups? What should I here multiply 1.5 gallons because it's the greater unit, so I will multiply by 16, which I should study well. Okay, then 1.5 times 16 will give me 24. Yeah, why? Because when I convert from gallons to cups, I multiply by 16 every time. So here, what should I do? I get 24 as a result. 24 what? 24 cups. And I do have already 3 cups, so I will add the 3 cups to the 24 cups. It will give me 27 cups. Okay, moving to this question. 7 for 8 quarts and 3 cups. Okay, I want to convert it into ounces. So what should I do in this question? What should I do? I want to convert from here, from quarts to ounces. From quarts to ounces. What should I do? Look back to the table. From quart to ounces, I multiply by how? Here I have by 2, then 2 times 2, 4 times 8, 32. Because I want to convert from quart to ounces. What should I do again? I multiply by all of this. 2 times 2, 4 times 8 equal 32. Go back to the question. So I multiply 7 for 8 times 32. So here I convert from mixed to improper. So after doing so, it will be 60 over 8. Okay, here I do what? 8 times 7, then plus here 4. So the answer will be here what? So the answer will be 60 over 8, and the denominator keeps it the same. So after this, 60 over 8 times 32, the answer will be 240. Don't forget to convert this one also. 3 cups into ounces. Going to the table, have a look to the table. So I want to convert from cup to ounces. So what should I do? Multiply by 8. Go back to the question. So 3 cups times 8, the answer will be 24. So I have 240 plus 24 will gives you the answer, and the answer will be 264 ounces. This is the answer. Okay, and this is the details of the answer, the steps. Okay, Naim is having a party. He bought 2 gallons of apple juice. How many cups of apple juice does he have? I want to change or convert 2 gallons into what? Into cups. So go back to the table. From gallons to cups, what should I do? So I have here 1 gallon equals 16 cups. So 2 gallons equal 2 times 16 will give you the answer of 32. Here 32 cups. And here complete the tables. I have here pints and cups, gallons and quarts. So pints to cups, this is easy. Pints to cups I multiply by 2, and from gallons to quarts I multiply by 4, and vice versa. Here from cups to pints divide 2, from the smaller unit quarts to gallons divided 4. Okay, so I have here a gallon equals how many float ounces. Return back to the table and know from gallon to float ounces, what should I do? I here take 4 times 8, so my answer will be here. Okay, my paper, yes, from gallon to ounces, so it will give me 128. Okay, I have here 5 pints, 2 quarts. What should I do from pints to quarts? What should I do? Okay, go to the table and do it by using the table. From pints to quarts, it's easier to go to the table. From pints to what, miss? Quart. What should I do now? I will tell you now. As you see, from pint to quart, divided by 2. Divided by 2. So 5 divided 2 will be 2.5. Okay, by this I want to give you problem solving also. Okay, if an elephant drinks 34.6 gallons of water every day, how many quarts of water will the elephant drink in a week? What do you think? Okay, can you convert the gallons into the gallons into quarts, and also do what? I have 2 steps, and calculate how many gallons does the elephant drink for 7 days. I multiply 34.6 gallons times 7 to know in a whole week he drinks about how much water. Okay, how many gallons of water? So it gives me here, yeah, 242.2. And I want to know here, when I convert gallons to quarts, I multiply by 4. Okay, by this, and I have just one, yes, I have just one problem here. Andrew says that the most appropriate customary unit to measure a mug of hot chocolate is pints. Do you agree? How come? I don't agree with him at all. A cup is better. A cup is a better unit to measure. As we have seen here, I will show you by your eyes to know. Here I have, yeah, as I told you in the first one, I have here the table. Okay, the table is yes, here it is, the table. I have here this cup, it's like the mug. Here in the practice book, here is the conversion, customary units of capacity. This is important to study well. 1 cup equal 8 fluid ounces. 1 pint, 2 cups equal 16 ounces. 1 quart equal 2 pints equal 32 ounces. 1 gallon equal 4 quarts equal 128 ounces. This is important to study well. By this we have covered the lesson. Study hard, and if you have any question, please don't hesitate to send them on Google Classroom. Thank you, my dear students, for listening. Keep home, keep safe. Thank you. Bye bye.